Hello everyone. Bakit wala akong background diyan, wallpaper. Hala, paano na 'to? Naninibago na si Tres. Manoy, Nelo. Manoy, Nelo, mega love shout out. Kumusta po? Ayan. Ngayon lang ako ulit, Manoy, Nelo, nakauwi sa bahay. Tumira si Tres sa ibang bahay. Ngayon lang ulit nakauwi dito sa farm. Naninibago ako mag-isway, di ko na alam kung paano maglagay diyan ng background sa taas, bakit ang dilim? Aragoy, aragoy. Paano na nga maglagay? Maninelo, meron po ba akong background? Ano yan? Background music? Teka lang ha, maglagay muna ako ng harang. Naninibago si Tres mag-isway. Kanina pa dapat ako mag-isway, magla-live. Anong petsa na? Wala bang background music? Anyari?
Wala bang background music?
Aragoy, aragoy.
Anyari? Wala bang
Teka lang.
music? Aragoy, aragoy. Anyari?
Wala pa rin? Mas rinig yung ni mother yung pa...
Wala pa rin?
Teka lang. Agoy, rinig yung ni Dos. Yung mikos-mikos ni Dos sa kusina, mas rinig kaysa sa aking VGF dito.
Agoy, rinig yung ni Dos. Yung mikos-mikos ni Dos sa kusina. Kaysa sa aking VGF dito. Agoy, rinig yung ni Dos. Yung mikos-mikos ni Dos sa kusina. Kaysa sa aking VGF.
Hello, ano ba nangyayari din eh? Hello. Wala eh. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Tika lang ha. Naninibago na talaga si Trey. Wala pa rin ba, Manay Nelo?
Wala pa rin ba, Manay Nelo?
Nabubulol na tuloy si Tres. Ay, ay, ay.
Nabubulol na tuloy si Trez.
Teka lang, patayin ko muna yung aking V8. Oo, walang sound. Walang sound, Manay Nelo.
Walang sound. Walang sound, Manay Nelo.
Naloka na. Naloka na. Wala pa rin eh. Ano nangyari? Lakas ng radyo ni Mother. Hello, pa, ano yun?
Lakas ang radyo ni Mother.
Oo, naka-StreamYard ako, Manay Nelo. Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Nawala lang ako ng ilang araw. Di ko na alam paano mag-swipe. Tika lang, tika lang. Ayusin natin. Wala pa rin ba? Pumipiyok na si Tres tuloy.
Wala pa rin ba? Pumipiyok na si Trez tuloy. Wala pa rin ba? Pumipiyok na si Trez tuloy.
Nag-iiko dito sa isa kong CP kasi pinapakinggan ko kung meron. Ano, kung meron sound. Wala pa rin. Agoy. Need iyan malakas na net. Bakit wala pa rin mananelo? Ano nangyari? Anong nangyari din eh? Hay nako. Nanibago si Tres. Nanibago si Tres. Pati yung ano dito o display sa ano, wala. Di ko na alam paano maglagay. Wala dito mapagpipilian.
Pati yung ano dito o display. Wala.
Bakit ganito? Bakit ganito? Asan na kaya si Sisi ano? Sisi yung sisi ko, asan na yung sisi ko? Yung mga sisi ko diyan, nasaan na kayo? Tulungan niyo ako dito.
Yung sisi ko, asan na yung sisi ko? Yung mga sisi ko diyan, nasaan na kayo? Tulungan niyo ako dito. Yung sisi ko, asan na yung sisi ko? Yung mga sisi ko diyan, nasaan na kayo?
Oo, stress na ako Maninilo. Anong petsa na? Mamaya may curfew na. Mamaya Maninilo, meron ng curfew.
Mamaya may curfew na. Mamaya Maninilo, meron ng curfew. Mamaya Maninilo, meron ng curfew.
Ay, anong nangyari? Bakit ganito touch? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Ay, anong nangyari? Bakit ganito touch? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Teka lang. Sisi, ano nangyari? Wala pa rin?
Sisi, ano nangyari?
ano, ano nangyari sa akin, Sisi?
Sisi, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Narinig yung boses ni Dos. Nawala lang ako Sisi. Pagbalik ko dito sa bahay, di ko na alam paano mag-SY. Hindi ko na ma-set up ng maayos. Agoy. Odol, odol. Wala ko Sisi sound, no. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin naririnig dyan. Hay nako, pinahirapan ako ng aking vein. Nawala lang sa stress ng ilang araw. Ganito na yung nangyari. Anyari? Hindi ko pa nga nilagyan ng harang, Sisi. Diyos mio, Marimar, ano petsa na? Mamaya may curfew na. Sisi, tara, akit na. Bisi-bisihan si Tres. Grabe. Kaya di ko bet ang StreamYard kasi makakapit ang sound.
lang sisi lagyan ko muna to ng ano. Lagyan ko muna ng harang. Nasaan na kaya yung isang sisi natin? Sabi ko, samahan niya ako dito. Ng babae na naman ata. Naniribahan ko talaga ako dito, CCO. Hindi ko malagyan ng background. Saan ba yun makikita? Bakit wala na akong makita dito? Ay, agoy. Manay Biko, Biko, sarap. Manay Biko. Salamat, Manay B. Diba? Parang makapasok na naman. Marhay na banggi. Yan, marhay na banggi man po. Safe. Salamat sa Israel. Thank you. Sis Marikita. Hello, sis. Wait lang. Bigyan kita ng chat. Para. Ika lang sis, mag-switch ako. Hello everyone, sabi ni sis Marikita. Let's do it. Saglit lang akit. Pag walang umakyat, isang oras lang si Tress. Manay B, anong request mo? Sabay ka nerd. Alam mo naman, kagaling-galing kumanta there. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat na na-entrance sa 9 million viewers. Bulog na talaga si Tress. Yes, me. Kanta ka lang po ka. Ayan, sige po, Manay B. Ayan, you're welcome, sis Marikita. Kahit anong kanta, Manay B. Sige. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ha, yung boses ni Trezem. Busy pa, ayan. Sige lang po, Manay B. Busy-busy ka muna dyan. When I think back on these times and the dreams were left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get you, have you in my life. When I look back on these days and I look and see your face, you were right there for me. And my dreams, they always see a star above the sky. And my heart, there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll be a part of you and me, and everywhere I am, there you'll be. And everywhere I am, there you'll be. Parang naka-live stream, ano yung confidence? Will you show me how it feels to feel the sky within my reach? And I always will remember all the strength you gave to me. Your love made me make it true. Oh, I so much to you. You were right there for me. And my dreams, they always be a star above the sky. And my heart, will always be a place for you for all my life. I'll be a part of you and me, and everywhere I am, there you'll be. As they always stood you in my strength. And I want to thank you now for all the ways you were right there for me. You were right there for me. Well, my trips, they always see star above the sky. For all my life, I'll keep up of you with me, and everywhere I am, there you'll be. And everywhere I am, there you'll be. There you'll be.
Ang Batang May
Salamat po sa Seven Eyes na nandyan. Manay B, Sis Marikita. Thank you, thank you. I can't believe what I just heard. Couldn't be true. Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? How do you feel a broken heart that feels like heaven will never beat this much again? Oh no, I just let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh, tonight I hope we can ride. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. And were you ever what you see? Oh, I like you who feel in love with his country. And now you say you want to leave, start your life today. These words we thought were never. How do you feel a broken heart that feels like it will never fit this much again? Oh, I just how do you feel a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh, no. Tomorrow I'll pretend to finally put it all behind. Life in my soul. Ayan, dinadamit. Much again. Oh, now, don't you know? I remember the days when you were here with me, those laughers and tears we shared for years now. Memories that we had for so long, it's me, you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on to what you want, but please don't leave me. You'll break my heart. Hey, what should I do? you should be. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Why I need you? You set a part of me. I wish someday we'll be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Boy, malapit na pumiyok. Dos, Di pa umiinit eh. I wish someday you'll be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Bear Brand 840 grams, 279.50 pesos SRP na lang.
Basta na yung kape ko kasi.
Covers PH.
Manay B, thank you. Dos, halika Dos. Kanta ka muna. Ano to? Mali. Mali. Ito, para kay Manay B. Naubo na ako. Naubo na si Tres. Kaya dalawang kanta pa lang. Para kay Manay Bicol. My Valentine. Kahit matagal pa no, Manay B. If there were no words, no it was speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no it to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance right now are bright, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Sissy Rences mix. Long shout out Sissy. All of my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before, but in my dreams I could love you more. I will give you my heart And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. La 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 la. Ganun lang yung kaiksi, yung la la la. Sisi Rences, thank you Sisi. Pagpasensyahan nyo muna Manaybiha, yung kanta ko sa iyo.
Isang spray?
Pangit ang sound, parang nasa burnal. Pangit na nga yung boses, litres. Nawawala yung kape ko. You're welcome, Manaybi. I was down and out and feeling so alone. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was a strength to show me the way. And now I finally found my home in you. I'd still recall the times I've been through. Confused and didn't know what to do. Alakdan! Uy, paano ba mag-ano? Yung sabi mo doon sa settings, ano ba yung sa audio? Saan ilalagay? Wait lang, asan na yun? Na malagyan ng jacket. Yung kanina, pinapakinggan kita doon kay Sir Max. Ayusin ko nga din dito sa settings ko. Paano ba yung sa audio? Lakdan. Huwag kang ganyan, huwag kang mambula ha. Then you came along, you took me home, and made me your... Hindi ako yun. Ha? Di ba sabi mo kanina? Wait lang ha, teka lang. Hello, hello. Hello, may glove shoutout, Sir Alakdan. Shouty, shouty. Paano ba yung yung sabi mo dito sa setting, yung sa audio, nakalagay dito sa akin, sa default. Tama ba to? May nakalagay dito, speaker phone, wire, headset, earpiece. Wala nga eh. Kanina pa, alam mo ba, nahirapan ako kanina kasi nanibago na ako mag-SY. Nawala lang ako ng ilang araw, ilang linggo. Di na ako kanina maka-set up ng aking live. Walang sound. Tapos, panay na yung tawag ko ng mga sisi ko, yung mga kamaritisan ko dyan, asa na kayo? Pag dumating lang si Sisi Sky. Yung kanina, na kinontrata ko na magkanta kami, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya dumarating. Ng babae pa yun. Hinihintay niya talagang i-PM ko siya. Hindi ako nag-PM. Gusto ko, yung makita mo yung live ko. Oo, StreamYard. Dito sa audio ng StreamYard. Ano ba yung pipindutin ko? Yung nakalagay dito, default. Dito ako. Hindi. Yung babaero, sino pa ba? Turuan mo na ako dito, wag na yun. Wag mo nang intindihin yung mga yarn. Yung dito sa sa mic. Mic ba? Nakalagay dito mic eh. Sa audio, sa mic. Basta yun na yun. Ako ang manager nila. LG ba? Oo, ikaw yung manager.
Bilis na. Tama ba itong ginawa ko dito sa default nakalagay? Yung sa audio ko. Bahala ka dyan. Yung tanong ko yung sagutin mo, wag mo silang hanapin. Katong lalamunan ko, nakatatlo pa lang ako. Sometimes the snow comes down in June. Teka lang. Hindi naman kasi na yun, K998 yung gamit ko. Ano lang to, mumurahe V8 lang. Parang wala nun eh. Basta yun nakita ko lang dito, yun lang. Yung headset, wire, ano yun? Tapos yung default. Sisi Antaray, may galaw, shout out. Sisi, good evening. Masyado bang may echo? Leia Golding. Ano yun? Golding? May galaw, shout out. Sis Leia. Ayan, meron ka na pong moderator. Parang ang daming echo. All of the nights you came to me when some silly girl had set you free. You wondered how you'd make it through. I wondered what was wrong with you. 'Cause how could you give your love to someone else and share your dreams with me? Sometimes the very thing you're looking for is that one thing you can't see. But now we're standing face to face. Isn't this world a crazy place? Just when I thought our time had passed, you go and save the best for last. Kuyup-kuyupan cave. Oo, pumunta ako doon. Doon ako nagpakuyup-kuyup. Pahangin-hangin ba? Ang dilim tuloy ng aking screen. Hindi ko malagyan ng background. Sometimes the very thing you're looking for is that one thing you can't see. Sometimes the snow comes down in June, snow pala. Sometimes the sun gets round the moon. Just when I thought our time had passed, you go and save the best for last. Sisi Antaray, thank you, Sisi. Nag-echo daw dahil sa kuyup-kuyupan. Eh. Oo nga eh, mahangin masyado.
Bakit Bonakid Preschool 3 Plus? Proven.
Yung tanong ko kanina, saan na yung tanong ko kanina? Ayun. Sige. Huwag ko na nga itanong ulit kasi parang wala dito sa akin yan. Para kay Sisi Jeanette. Mahal na mahal, yan ang damdamin na sa'yo'y nararamdaman. Kung di mo alam, puso'y di mapalagay pag di ka namamasdan. O bakit ganyan? Dahil mapaging Yun, mali na si Tres. Laging alaala ka, nais makapiling, nais makayakap sa tuwin na nang dahil sa'yo, puso kong ito'y natutong magmahal. Sana bang ganyan? Sana pag-ibig natin daraman, makaingatan, huwag paglaruan, dahil minsan lang umibig. Hoy! Nasaan na kaya yung iniinom ni Sissy Iscani? Ang maganda ng boses. Tawag ng aking damdamin ay ikaw at walang iba. Ang lahat-lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Ang hirap kumanta. Asa na yan? Asa na si LG? In-invite ko yun kanina eh. Si Hashki Boys. Mahal ka sa akin. Aray. Ang puso kong ito'y natutong magmahal. Sadya bang ganyan? Sana pag-ibig na nasaraman, makaingatan, huwag paglaruan, dahil minsan lang umibig. Ang napili ay ikaw. Huwag sanang sasaktan ang puso na sa'yo'y nagmahal. Tawag na aking damdamin. Teka lang. Ang lahat-lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Diyos marikita, sisi akit na. Ang kasama ko'y tingin, tunay na tunay, mahal ka sa akin. Diyan na yung hagdan. Tunay na tunay, mahal ka sa akin. I know that just waiting for me to stay forever. I know that I sometimes just don't know how to hold her. I want to hold and kiss her, give her my love, make her believe she doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need this time, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all that I need. Yeah, yeah. she's always there when I need her loving. I know that I never told her how much I love her. I see her face before me. I look in her eyes, wondering why. Oh, she doesn't know. She doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. Say that you'll be there whenever I reach out to feel your hand and mine. You stay within my heart. Whenever I'm alone, I know that you are there. You're all I need inside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. To turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. All that I need is for you to believe. All that I need is you. Asan na yung humihingi ka ng kanta? Talaga makanap yung ano. Boy. Yung ano dyan. Excuse me po. Ito lang. Saan na yung kape ko? Inubo ang ketch. Teka lang, inom muna ako na mainit. Miguel of shoutout, 13. 13. Nabubulol na naman si Trez. Ang kate ng lalamunan ni Trez. Oh, sino yun? Yung aking tatay na intern. Hi, Tay. Good evening. Bakit hindi ko tayo kanina malagyan ng ganyan? Yung background dyan. Mali-mali ba yung mga napindot ko? Magsalita
Hindi
ka,
pwede
Tay.
sa mga pangit kasi yung ganyan.
Ah,
Hindi pwede
talaga
sa mga
ba?
pangit. Oo,
Pag sure, oy.
bawal.
Kanta na tayo. Makati yung lalamunan ko.
O, kanta ka na dyan. Kasi wala
Ang
akong
tawa-tawa
signal.
dyan.
Hinahanap ko lang yung signal ko. Kanina pa ako walang signal talaga.
Talaga ba? Bakit ka umakyat para palitan yung ano ko
Oo,
dyan,
hinanap ko lang
background?
talaga yung signal.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Dahil dyan, ito sa'yo. Tapos ito pa. Wala.
Awesome!
Yun. Pagkatapos nito, Tay, ito ang sunod. Sakit ng lalamunan niyo. Salamat, Tay. Kanta na, kahit isang kanta lang, akapila lang. Batiin mo yung nasa baba.
Wala
Tay.
nga eh. Hindi ko
Batiin mo yung
makita.
nasa baba. Ngani. Agoy, yun lang. Ano request mo, Jesus Sargosa?
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yan,
Ano, kumusta
bigyan
tayo ang
shoutout ko sa
buhay-buhay?
inyong lahat. So, tinan mo, nagsashoutout ako, tapos, ayoko na mag-shoutout. Ikaw na. Hagdan daw. Bingi. Asan na kaya yung host?
Nag-mute na ako. Nag-mute na
Ate
nga ako eh.
Marikita. Hagdan daw, sabi ni Alakdan. Ni Idol Alakdan.
Kanina pa na andyan ang hagdan. Umakyat. Ayaw niya naman umakyat eh. Andyan na yung hagdan kanina pa.
Walang pahinga mag-consort si Swansi kada nagchichiki na tinubok kono oro chow. Nag-ikot ako na kada singking kambandander. Leah Golding. Oh, wala pang jacket si Leah Golding.
Nilagyan ko na po iyan. Hindi na siya nagyaw-yaw. Dumaan lang. Parang hangin.
Sige, kanta ka na, dali. At nawawalan na ako ng signal. Ayan na, mahulog na ako.
Salamat tayo sa ano dyan sa aking wall. Andyan. Thank you.
Hindi the 5 plus.
Andyan na yung hagdan, Alakdan. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Susunduin pa ba kita dyan sa baba? Galit na si Tres. Hello, ading admin, sabi ni Sis Marikita. Ano nang akalala mo na? Kanta mo na ako. Mag-mute ka muna dyan. Teka lang. Ulitin ko.
Wala na tuloy si Tres. Ayun na si LG, oh. Nandiyan na yung kantan. Habulin mo. Kanta mo na ako. Tapos alakdan na yung susunod. I wanna call the stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. Wala na si Tay. I wanna hold you under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you. And a word of life, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make it stay no matter where you are. And bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me. Hanggang doon lang ako. Ayan, welcome sa aking live. Alakdan and LJ.
Hi po, mayong gabi. Welcome. Welcome po sa aming live. Ayan,
Ano yung tawag sa ating tatlo?
Two brothers and one sister. Ganun lang ba yun? May galap siya lahat sa ating mga viewers nandyan sa baba. May galap siya dito. May hanapin mo na ako. Nasaan ba yun? Nawala. Idol! Nandiyan ka pa ba?
Dito lang idol, na-enjoy ako sa kapanood sa visual lights. Parang nasa Alabang tayo sa Paddy's Point.
Alright. Thank you so much guys. Yung walang sawang suporta sa ating mga viewers dyan. Andyan, may grab shout out to Leslie. Ayan, may grab shout out po sa nandyan. Marikit ang makitang maliit niya mata. Marikit na yun. Welcome po, welcome. Magkapi mo na ako. Sige, Tris Marias. Ayan, dito na po ang ating sa bulang kristal. Ano pagkakantahin ko? Saglit lang na. Maghanap mo na ako ng ano dito. Ano bang... ano lang kayo guys? Ano bang kakantahin natin? Ano ba yun? Wala naman. Nasaan ba ang liwanag ng aking puso? Ayan. Sige lang guys. Parang naano ko dito ha.
Ikaw, Tris Maria, hilig ka talaga magkape.
Oo nga eh.
Pareho kayo ni Bittersweet.
Ayan. Okay.
Iniwan na tayo ni Tris Marias.
Alright. Okay, saglit lang. Hop. May pakita ta sa ating mukhang sa ating mga viewers, salamat sa nag-station. Dito na po. Manood mo na ako sa bahay. Sige. Sa lahat nandyan, ayaw na mag-enjoy kayo. And this is LG 734 SD ko. Nakaw! Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. You know, thank you. Pambitin pala yun. Yan, thank you so much, guys. Manoy! Hindi ka na siya Manoy. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and sympathize. I'll never criticize all you ever meant to my life. I don't want to let you down. I don't want to hold you on. I don't want to hold you back from where your mind belongs. You would never ask me why my heart is on disguise. I just can't live a life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to tell. It's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. Pasensya na midli ha. Kunti alam po, kunti. Two songs lang. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering why you would say, hoping you understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you having you near me, holding you near me. I want to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I alright. Honey, little me. Oh, little me. I love you tonight. It feels so right. Feels so right. Thank you, Bangos. Ano to? Yeah, thank you. Ayan. CC Marigit plus 1 banana. Agwi sana all. And love shout out to Ilocana. It's me. Yes, it's you. Nothing else. Ayan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No all plus 1. Oo nga eh. Baka naman. Ayan.
Isa lang kaya kong ibigay.
Agwi.
Isa lang kaya kong ibigay.
Yun lang. Wala tayong magawa dyan.
Wala akong farm. Si Ilocana, Migalaw, shoutout. Asan na si si Palalabs mo? In-invite ko yun kanina. Nang babae pa ata si.
At si Kiss, pinuntahan ako ni Alakdan doon sa TikTok. Pinuntahan.
Tapos, bumaba ka.
Oo, kasi nandoon, hinahanap ka daw. Okay, baba na ko dito.
Ang sabi.
Yun, walang patumpik-tumpik, basta si Alakdan mag-request. Wala talaga patumpik-tumpik. Sugod agad.
To the rescue.
Yes. Ganun ako sa kang Alakdan. Walang kakupas-kupas. Walang kaprino-prino.
Wow naman. Sana all.
Yes. Ayan, thank you.
Ayan, mahina daw yung signal, sabi ni si Ilocana.
Okay. So mag-request kayo.
Kaya kanina,
Si Marias na bahala dyan.
Oy, mag-request kayo kay Sir LG. Huwag sa akin.
Oo, bahala na si Tris
Siya yung,
Marias dyan.
siya yung aming pang sabak.
Uy!
Sabak ba?
Mapupol! Bata pa po! Ay, Manoy! Manoy! Mayong gabi sa'yo dyan. Sige.
Kanta na, Alakdan. Asan ka? Kanta na.
Parang nag-word yata si Alakdan, nag-duty.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Try nyo mag-do it.
Baka sasabog ang shotgun niya doon. Patay ng bata tayo dito. Oo, baka shotgun ang dami ang microphone ni Alakdan doon. Ako. Mabigla si Lolo. Oo. Ayan. Diba? Manoy ka. Manoy Nilo. Maing gabi eh. Tris Marias, magkatawa-tawa dyan, ha?
Ayan kasi, sabi ni Alakdan, try nyo mag-do it na dalawa.
Ano bang kakantahin natin?
Anong i-do it natin?
Tawag dito? Magdi-delay. Magdi-delay yata tayo dito.
Oo nga eh. Magsalitian tayo dito sa post.
Oo. Arigato. Magana ta? Arigato. Chinimano. Yung after all na. Pagkatapos sa tanan, pagkatapos ng lahat-lahat, Idol Alakdan, pagkatapos lahat, anong gagawin mo? Harang sisi. Ayan. Sige, after all daw. Ayan.
Wala akong alam dyan sa after all na yan.
After
Ito na lang sa akin.
Sige.
Ito na lang sa akin. Tapos mag-ready ka dyan ng side ABCD, ha? Mag-ready ka dyan ng side ABCD. Sisi, lady, thank you, Sisi. Sir Mananelo, thank you. If I sing you a love song, will you always remember? Will you hear it on lonely nights when I'm not sing you a love song, will you hear it forever? To remind you how much I care and how I needed you. Love song lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love song don't leave you, but lovers often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it would happen to me and you. If I see you a love song, let it always be with you. When the others have gone away, will it still be there? Love song lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love song don't leave you like lovers often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. Lonely nights when I'm around. Na-interrupt na naman kasi ako dito sa sinasabi ni Alakdan. Ano yun? Pag kumanta si host, feeling ko nasa North Pole na ako. Agoy. Ayan, back to you. LJ, ikaw na. Sa ABCD, EFG.
Ang haba naman. Ang haba naman. Okay. So, mamaya, bababa na ako, host ka. Baka babatuin ako ng kapitbahay. Oo, kasi gabi na. Gabi ng liwanag ng pag-ibig. Ikaw na nasa ano po na ba? Oo. Thank you so much sa ating mga viewers dyan nandiyan sa baba. And maraming salamat po. Para sa inyo po. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind, I've opened up the door. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And now my life has changed in so many ways. My independence seems nobody's dictates. Every now and then I feel so insecure. I know that I just need you like I never did before. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Maraming salamat po. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now those days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind, I've opened all the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Won't you please, please help me? Ayan, thank you so much. Dito. Sige. Ayan, side B, saglit lang ha. Anak-alak daw, wala kaya medyo okay. Nanditong hawak-hawak ng shotgun. Ayan, thank you so much sa mga dyan. Nandiyan kitang bayo. Maraming salamat po. Ayan na po guys, side B. Heaven knows I don't go wrong. Ayan. Sige, ayun. Sakali pa, meron pang patalastas, side A, side B. Uy, wala si Os. Patay tayo, mapasubo tayo dito. Okay. Si Os, salungin natin. Ayan. Saan napunta si Os? Alamban! Ikaw talaga ang aking love of my life. Halak na nagari sa vlog. Another night slowly closes in. I feel so lonely. Touching you, breathing on my skin. I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I've been too far, I've been waiting the other year. I can't believe you're gone. You were the first, you'll be the last. Hey, wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I give it to you. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and help on, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. Watching shadow move across the wall, I feel so frightened. I wanna run to you, I wanna call, but I've been hit by lightning. Just instead of falling apart, dancing through this bed across my heart. But yeah, you always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Yeah, wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I give it to you. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and help on, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm way till the other year. You always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Yeah. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I give it to you. Ayan. Thank you, 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 thank you po. Ayan. Nasaan si Host? Ayan. Thank you so much. Wasak na diri. Agoy, wasak na. Ayan. Sama ka diri. Sama ka diri. Nick Sound. Ayan. Ayan. Ano ba? Ano? Ayan. Ahas. Nasaan si Host? Sabak na din. Sabak? Ano ba yun? Kang ano? Kang Ilyas. Sabak, sabak. Sabak! Masama to? Sabak! Ayan, saglit naman. Sabak ka diri. Alik ka diri. Ayan. Kang Ilyas pa to. Ayan. Ito ba yun? Kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala miss, kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala mama diri, sama ka diri, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Arriba! Woo! Yeah. Yun ba yun? Kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala mama lidiri, saba ka diri, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Arriba! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala miss, kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala mama lidiri, saba ka diri, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Bravo! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala miss, kanina pala rosta, kanina pala mama lidiri, saba ka diri, 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 yeah. Alright, arriba, bravo. Alright, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa nag-request. Sabak na ka, host. Back to you, host. Thank you so much.
Sana all. Wala,
Seryoso.
palakpakan naman dyan, mga lalabs. Walang
Palakpakan.
palakpak dito sa akin eh.
Palakpakan.
Sama ka dire.
Palakpak ko niya.
Sama ka dire.
Evergreen. Back host, Evergreen. Ano yan?
Oh, dali. Ikaw na.
Ano yan? Sigarilyo ba yung Evergreen?
Evergreen. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
Evergreen. Oh, Evergreen. Sigarilyo ni Fortune. Fortune. Sige, try ko lang ha. Try ko lang yung Evergreen to. Ayan. Paano ito? Which time? Like the sunrise, like a rainfall down my soul. I wonder why you look at me like that. What you thinking? What's behind? Don't tell me that it feels like I'm gonna take this moment and make it last forever. I'm gonna give my heart away and we will stay together. 'Cause you know I've no reason. You're the only girl that I need. 'Cause you're more beautiful than I ever seen. I'm gonna take this night and make it evergreen. Touch like an angel, like velvet to my skin. And I wonder why you wanna stay tonight. What you dreaming? What's behind? Don't tell me that it feels like love. I'm gonna take this moment and make it last forever. I'm gonna give my heart away and we will stay together. 'Cause I want good reason. You're the only girl that I need. 'Cause you're more beautiful than I have ever seen. I'm gonna take this night and make it evergreen. Oh yeah. Don't tell me that it feels like love. I'm gonna take this moment and it will last forever. I'm gonna give my heart away and we will stay together. 'Cause you're one good reason. You're the only girl that I need. 'Cause you're more beautiful than I have ever seen. Gotta take this moment, yeah, and make it last forever. I'm gonna give my heart away and pray we'll stay together. 'Cause you're one good reason. You're the only girl that I need. 'Cause you're more beautiful than I ever seen. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take this night and make it evergreen. Oh, make it evergreen. Naku talaga. Kaya maraming salamat sa nag-request ha. Ayan, ayaw ko na ano. Ay, thank you. Back to host. Sumakit ang
Ayan, thank you sa aking co-host. Ang ganda naman talaga. Sana all na lang. Di ba?
Nagta-trying hard lang po ako eh. Nagta-trying hard.
Mag-request lang kayo dyan, si Ma'am Irene. Ano yung request mo? Huwag natin pa pagpingahin yung co-host natin. Galing pa siya sa TikTok nag-live.
Oo, doon ako
Ayan, wala siyang pahinga.
kasi naghahanap buhay. Kaninang umaga doon ako sa live niya lang. Tapos makatapos doon, TikTok. And then dito naman.
Kaya tingnan niyo yung boses niya. Parang paus yung boses pero kapag kumanta, talaga naman.
Paus pa rin. Pag kumakanta, paus pa rin. Okay. Alright. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo.
Thank you daw, sabi ni Sisi Jeanette.
You're welcome
Thank you
po.
daw.
Regina. Nasaan si Kise? Kise! Happy birthday.
Mahina daw yung signal niya.
Mahina. Okay. Ayan.
Mahina daw yung signal nila doon, sabi ni Sisi Lady.
Okay. Sige po. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, kanta mo na ang catch.
Sige po.
Mag-ready ka ulit dyan ng 3.
Tatlo.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandyan sa baba. Thank you. Mag-ready ka ulit din ng 3 ha. My love will see you through daw. Next song mo. Dahil sa iyo ay natuto akong magmahal muli ngayon. Di tulad noon. Kala ko na wala ng lalaking seryoso sa mundo. Ibinuhay mo ang puso kong bato. Dahil sa iyo, punong-puno ng saya ngayon ang buhay ko. Di tulad noon. Salamat mahal na dumating ka ngayon at ako ay minahal. Magpagkailanman di nasasaktan. Sunod ko na yan, Sisi. Tapos si LG na mamaya, mga 4 na kanta sa kanya. Babangon hanggang nakilala ka, o aking sinta. Buhay ko'y nagbago, binigyan mo ng pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo ay natuto akong magmahal muli ngayon. Di tulad noon. Salamat mahal na dumating ka ngayon at ako ay minahal. Magpagkailanman di ka sasaktan. Yun. Ayan, hanapin ko na yung immortality ni Sisi Jeanette. Tapos, mag-ready ka na dyan, Sir LG.
Naghahang?
Wait lang ka. May paharap pang daladahan. Putol-putol ba yung boses ko dyan? Feeling ko, putol-putol yung boses ko. Yung kanta ko dyan.
Covers PH.
Ayan, pasensya.
Teka lang. Isunod ko na tong request ni Sir LG. Isunod ko na tong request ni Sisi Jeanette ha, tapos mag-ready ka na dyan ng mga kung ilan yung gusto mo.
Sige po. Sige po.
Ayan. Para kay Sisi Jeanette. Pasensyahan mo na yung boses ko dyan ha. Teka lang, nauna na naman.
Covers PH.
Immortality. Ano daw? Parang nandoon na sa kabila. Immortality.
Sa kabilang buhay. So this is who I am, and this is all I know. And I must choose to live all that I can give, the spark that makes the power grow. And I will stand for my dream if I can, symbol of my faith in who I am. But you are my only, and I must follow on the road that lies ahead, and won't let my heart control my head. But you are my only. We don't say goodbye. We don't say goodbye. And I know what I got to be. Immortality. I make my journey through eternity. I keep the memory of you and me inside. Fulfill your destiny. Is there within the child? My story will never end. My fate is on the win. The kings of hearts, the jokers love. We don't say goodbye. We don't say goodbye. I'll make them all remember me. 'Cause I found a dream that has come true. Everyone to me must see it's true. But you are my only. I'm sorry I don't have to run or love to play. Hand over my heart, I'll find my way. I will make him give it to me. Immortality. There is a vision that apart with me. I keep the memory of you and me inside. When I say goodbye. With all my love for you, and what else will we do? We don't say goodbye. Bahala ka dyan, Sisi Jeanette. Ayan, Yamaki from Manwa. Hello, Ohio. Ayan, thank you everyone. Sis Marikita, thank you. Ayan, back to you, LJ.
Ang batang may laban.
Sona dyan.
Sige, dito pong request. Sana makanta ko, ha? When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go. Be strong and hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest nights, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, I need shoulder to breathe on. All you have to do is go. I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and you see nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk, have faith in your heart. Oh, my love will see you through. When you cross the leper sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Not a place to follow your dream. Oh, my love will see Meron po, meron po request. Yan. Si po. Yan, naglalag na. Saglit lang guys, nag-loading ha. Saglit lang nag-loading. Loading ako, loading. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan po. Basta gusto sa mga post na. Sa tingin ko, wala ako. Tapos, Erasing you more than I can do. Thank you po. Ayan. Ano pang na? Sige po. Last song, ano ba? Last na to? Ayan. Ayan, ito po. Ayan, sa ating mga viewers dyan, maraming salamat po. When she looks at me, I know that there's these things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside and all the busyness I hide. She looked into my soul and gives me light nobody can. She wasn't just a man, she just faced me as I am. Someone made she believes, and the pain is something I never knew before. Someone made she loves me, and that love has held me open a door. Making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those are the signs. There's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me be it true. And when I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. How I wish she believes, and that faith is something I never known before. How I wish she loves me, and that love has held me open a door. Making me love myself a little more. How many scenes like this have all slipped on my finger? When they just can't be found and turn around, and they be hard. Shine salamat. Ayan na po. The end. Natapos na rin ang 3 utang. Host, natapos na 3. Sana all na lang, anak, wag mo.
Tapos na ba yun?
Oo, 100%.
Di na ako pwede kumanta, Sir LG, kasi may curfew na din dito sa bahay. So mag-end live na tayo. Or
Ay,
kakanta ka pa.
Sige po, salamat ha. Salamat sa paakyat. Salamat sa aking kapatid. Ang aking minamahal. Alakdan Diaries Vlog. Love you, Mama Chup Chup. Ayan.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin live kasi yung isang anong pangalan nyo? Tres Maria Josep. Sabi niya, magkanta kami. Wala naman siya.
Ayun. Yung Tres...
Yung ano nga yun? Tres Marios?
Tres Pugitos na to? Tres Pugitos. Sumakit ang
Tres...
heart ko. Pugitos daw.
Tres Pangitors?
Pugitos daw. Pugitos. Ano ba yun?
Akala ko Pangitors.
Namin. Karating na niya.
Sabi niya, ngayon Kaya nga, ang tagal mo kasi.
Ayun. Meet your farm pala. Next. Meet your farm. Ayan.
Kung gusto pa sana umanta ni Sir LG, kaya lang, kawawa naman yung boses niya. Gamit na yung boses. Kailangan naman magpahinga, di ba?
Maraming salamat, Tris Marias. Maraming salamat. And Anak Dan Diaries.
Thank you, Dean.
Thank you po sa ating mga viewers
Salamat
dyan.
din.
Sino ba to? Anak! Kinsa magiging
Anak?
74. Baka pwede naman maging anak ko dyan. Ampunin mo na ako. Kahit sandali lang, 1 taon. Walang problema sa kanya. Ang problema, ang barangay siya bukas. Patay tayo.
Ipabarangay siya bukas. Yari na.
Alright. Okay naman dito. Close na pero yung anak ko baka may aral pa bukas. Kahit nandito ako sa studio, lumabas pa rin yung boses ko. Kasi may aircon Yung aircon niya doon siya lumabas. Ayan. Bakit po? Itay. Agoy. Nagiging itay na ko tuloy. Magpaanak ko sa iyo. Gawin mo ako ng itay. Pag blood disturbance ang kaso. Oo. Yung request ko, may request mo na si Janet sa iyo. Tres Marias. Si Putsalan. Lumayas na si Putsalan. Ayan guys, lumayas na si Putsalan. Iniwan na tayo.
May kumatok Akala ko sino na.
May burger? Ay, parcel. Baka parcel yan. Ayaw, may parcel po kayo.
May kumatok. Ang sabi, hoy, magpatulog ka na.
Hoy, yun lang. Ano na? May tumawag.
Sige na, magpaalam na tayo.
Sige pa.
Tumawag sa iyo, Itay. Ayan. Maraming salamat po, Sir LG, sa pagsama sa akin at sa lahat na andyan sa baba.
Alright, and this is LG734. Sign off. Bye-bye, mga amigas, amigos.
Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumama sa akin live. Kay si Jeanette, kay Alakdan, kay Sir LG, kay Sisi Lady, Sir Anak, thank you. Kay Ma'am Irene. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumambay dyan, sa mga naka-BG. Thank you. Kita-kits na lang po ulit tayo sa mga live ng ating mga kasamahan dyan sa YT. Sino yung mag-live ngayon? Si Jeanette, mag-live ka na si. Ayan, si Alakdan. Naka-duty paggabi kapag umaga, maghapon din naka-live. Hindi siya natutulog. Sana all. Hindi siya natutulog, no? Kapag umuwi na ng bahay, nagla-live. Yung batang-bata ka pa, ay oo nga no, sorry naman. Ayan, Sir LG, umakit ka ulit, may kakantahin ka pa, may naiwan ka pang hindi mo nakanta. Yung batang-bata ka pa daw. Oo nga 24/7 naka-live. Ayan, bukas na lang yan. Ay, sa susunod na lang yan, si Jeanette. I-reserve natin yung batang-bata ka pa. Oo naman, batang-bata ka pa. Batang-bata ka pa si Jeanette. Andun sa kabilang planeta. Nag-live na naman ba sa TikTok? Bumaba lang yun eh. Sinundo mo kasi. Pasaway ka talaga. Nasa live niya yun. Tapos biglang bumaba para pakitan ako. Para umakyat sa aking live. Ayan, maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo dyan. Bye-bye na. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.